Hey, I'm back here with another box of this football trading cards Gunslinger. 5 factory sealed packs, including 2 hobby packs, plus 1 of these special bonus cards guaranteed in every box. You get Troy Aikman, Dak Prescott, Carson Wentz, Donovan McNabb, Emmitt Smith, Ezekiel Elliott, and Odell Beckham Jr. and Sterling Shepard. So open these a bunch before. And these are the packs you usually get. That's the hobby pack. Usually you get collegiate, prism, hobby, some prestige, and some of the leaf. You can get other stuff. I've seen somebody else, and they did one of these, and I think they got, what do they get? Topps Chrome or something. So these are about $12 a box at my local Shopco. I'm not sure if everybody knows what a Shopco's like. It's basically like Target. A leaf. 2 2013 Prestige. And another Prestige. And 2 collegiate draft picks. Which, by my math, that is actually 6 packs. So... and I got Dak Prescott and Troy Aikman, number to 7,500. So that's not the rare one. The rare one is the Dak Prescott and Carson Wentz. So that's interesting. I got an extra pack though. So let's open the leaf, then prestige, and then prism. 2015 leaf draft football. Jameis Winston, Amari Cooper, leaf. Prestige. This is 2013. We talked about these cards before. They're okay, but nothing really special you ever get out of them. Just all these base cards and rookies if you're lucky. Never really inserts or anything. So yeah, I like making videos outside. You don't have to. It's a lot easier to have the right lighting outside. Actually, it's not even very bright, but I don't need any lamps or anything. It's a little windy, so I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of wind background noise. Need to get a wind screen for my microphone. So, prestige. And like I said, so far what have I got? Nothing but base cards and 2 rookies. So, prestige. 2 packs of these. I have gotten autos out of these in the past, and I've also gotten numbered prism cards, which are cool. Sometimes I like the numbered cards better because you can get a better player. The autos are almost always rookies. Frank Gore, Andre Ellington, Julio Jones base prism. Okay, last pack. Looking for something to make this worth going all the way to Coeur d'Alene and getting. Darren Sproles, Robert Griffin III. Team trademarks, Max Williams, prism, not numbered. So insert prism. So one prism and one other prism. Okay, well, there you go. They're okay. I don't know if I'll be buying any of those again, though. Kind of like the fast break basketball. Anyway, thanks for watching.